Good morning friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Chemistry King, and I am Dr. S.K. Sinha discussing Ismail's rearrangement. Okay. It is Ismaili family. What will happen here? That will happen within the family. So, I have to say that the Ismail's rearrangement is intramolecular rearrangement that happens in such types of skeleton, such types of substrate. This is group which is attached with benzene, and in presence of base, you are looking here, this Y gets attached with this carbon here. This Y gets attached with this carbon and this bond is broken. This X which was attached to this carbon is now free, and this Y which was free is no longer free, rather it gets attached to the benzene ring. This Y gets attached to the benzene ring, this Y gets attached to the benzene ring. Okay, this is the intramolecular. And secondly, the nucleophilic center attacks at that carbon of benzene to which in atom or group is attached. Okay, it is totally intramolecular, and so I said it is Ismaili family, and what will happen? That will happen within the family, that is intramolecular. Okay, X should be such group, Y should be such group, and Z should be such group. Z is only, I have to say, Z is electron withdrawing group like nitro and this, so that it may make the benzene ring electron deficient. If the benzene ring will be electron deficient, then the nucleophilic attack, you are looking here, the nucleophilic attack will be facilitated. Now let us see mechanism. Here you are looking a strong base. This base will abstract this hydrogen, leading to Y minus, Y negative charge, and this Y negative will attack at this carbon. This Y negative will attack to the carbon to which this X is attached, and hence this bond will break in this fashion. So this Y gets attached to this carbon and negative charge will be here. Now this negative charge shifts in this fashion, and this pi bond will break in this fashion, leading to negative charge here and pi bond here. Okay, here pi bond here, negative charge here. This negative charge will shift in this fashion, and so this pi bond will break in this fashion, leading to negative charge here, negative charge here. Now this negative charge will shift in this fashion, and so this bond will break in this fashion, leading to X minus here, and in consequent Y gets attached finally to this carbon to which X was attached. Okay. Now let us see some example. After discussing mechanism, we will see example 1. Here this base will abstract this hydrogen leading to O minus, O negative, and this O negative will attack at this carbon, or you can say this oxygen gets attached to this carbon and this bond will break in this fashion, and so this bond will break in this fashion leading to O minus. And here you are looking, this oxygen, this group is now free from here. This group is already attached with this, but this group is no longer attached with this ring, and this oxygen gets attached with this ring. Okay, this oxygen with this nitrobenzene. Okay, now example 2. This oxygen gets attached with this carbon and this group is now free. This bond breaks. Friends, O gets attached with dinitrobenzene. This oxygen gets attached with dinitrobenzene and this group is now free, SO2 minus. Okay. Example 3. Here nitrogen gets attached with this. This is methoxide ion. It will abstract this hydrogen, and moreover you are looking here, a lone pair of electron is here at nitrogen atom that will attack here, and finally this hydrogen is abstracted by the methoxide ion. Okay. Now this NH gets attached with dinitrobenzene. This NH gets attached with dinitrobenzene and this bond is broken in this fashion. Okay. Example 4. Here this base will abstract this hydrogen and this O minus will attack at this carbon of nitrobenzene and this bond will break in this fashion leading to this carboxylate ion here. Again this oxygen gets attached with this nitrobenzene here and this carboxylate becomes free, which is already attached with this ring. Okay, this is the product. Example 5. Here this nitrogen gets attached with this carbon. Okay, here this NH is not attached with this carbon, rather NH is attached with this carbon. Okay, here NH gets attached with this carbon and this bond will break in this fashion and this pi bond will break in this fashion. So negative charge will be here, and so hydrogen released as H plus gets attached here, gets attached with the nitrogen where negative charge was there. Okay, so NH is here and double bond. When this bond breaks in this fashion, double bond will be here. Okay, and NH gets attached with this. Friends, it is only benzene. So NH is here, NH is here, NH is here, NH is attached with here, NH is at, no problem, it doesn't matter. Okay, if some group will be here or here or here, then precaution must be taken that what product or what structure should be here. Okay, now it is very much clear. It is example 5. Example 6. Here lone pair of electron is at this nitrogen. Okay, it will attack here. It is nitrofluorobenzene. It is activated benzene or electron deficient benzene for nucleophilic substitution. If benzene is deactivated, benzene ring is electron deficient, then it is said to be activated. Here this nitrogen gets attached with this carbon and this oxygen becomes free, O minus, and again H plus will come here leading to OH. Okay, again NH gets attached with nitrofluorobenzene here. NH gets attached with nitrofluorobenzene here, and this bond will break in this fashion leading to O negative, and that O negative further will take hydrogen from here leading to OH. Okay, the product is this. It is example 7. Here it is methyl, it is methyl, it is methyl. It is simply benzene. This butyl lithium, here actually butyl carbanion will extract hydrogen of this methyl, leading to CH2 minus, leading to carbanion, and that carbanion will attack at this carbon of benzene. This CH2, here you are looking, first of all CH2 negative. If it is CH2 negative, then lithium will be there. Okay, you can write CH2 negative or like this. Now this CH2 negative gets attached with this carbon of benzene. Looking here, this CH2 gets attached to the benzene. Here this benzene is attached to the SO2, but here this benzene is attached with the CH2, this CH2, and that lithium of here comes here at the place of O minus. Okay, when it is hydrolyzed, lithium ion is removed and H plus will come here, leading to this product. And at last, it is my thought, do the best, live in rest. Thank you. See you again.